Hey everyone and welcome to our channel. This video will be a guide on how to form an LLC with IncFile. If you're looking to legally establish your business using an online service to form an LLC that can save you time and make the process incredibly straightforward, then be sure to stay tuned throughout this video. I'll be giving you a complete guide to smoothly set up your LLC using IncFile's platform and know what to expect at each step along the way. So let's get started. LLC stands for a limited liability company. Forming an LLC legally establishes your business entity and separates your personal and business assets. This combines benefits of corporations and partnerships, limits owner liability and protects the personal assets. It also allows ownership by multiple members, and the income can be taxed in different ways. So for small businesses, LLCs are the most popular entity to form for liability protection and tax flexibility. Now let's take a look at how IncFile makes setting up your LLC fast and painless. IncFile is one of the top online business formation services that streamlines launching your LLC. You'll have to pay $0 upfront LLC formation package, that's the silver one, and you only have to pay the state fee. If you want to upgrade your tier or package, as we will see in this video, then obviously you'll have to pay more, but the free option with the silver package gives you lots of benefits at zero cost. There's also preparation and filing of articles of organization. You've got amazing responsive US-based customer support, positive customer reviews and ratings, and you will have processing time in under 3 weeks. So in short, IncFile makes legally forming your LLC affordable, compliant, fast and easy. And to get started with IncFile, here are the initial steps. Head over to incfile.com. Click on the Start My Business to begin the LLC filing process. The type of form will be LLC obviously, and then the state. Choose the state that your business will be formed in and not where you currently reside. After that, we will have to choose between the LLC formation packages, and it will take you through the steps to provide your personal contact information. And that's all about it. IncFile will now guide you through each step to form your business. To talk a little bit more about the formation package, we've got, as we covered, the silver package at $0 plus the state fees. This will include the basics to legally form your LLC. It will include preparation and filing the articles of organization. You will have unlimited name searches and a free registered agent service for up to a year. This service alone costs over $100 per year, and a registered agent is required by the government, so this saves you a lot of money just by taking IncFile's silver package. You'll also have unlimited phone and email support. Moving up a tier, we have the gold one, which is the most popular one for a $199 plus the state fee. You'll have everything from the benefits in the silver package, including the EIN business tax number. You'll have your IRS form completed for you, the operating agreement, banking resolution. It will also include a business banking account and business tax consultation. Again, for only about $200, you will be getting enormous value from this one. And at the highest tier, we have the platinum package, which comes in at $299 plus the state fee. This will include everything from the gold package plus a business contract template, free next day filing, and a domain name plus business email. So if you have the extra money to spare, then definitely go with the platinum package. But in my opinion, everything that you need and more is already covered in the gold package, as it is the most value in my opinion. And you can always go with the silver package if you want to keep your expenses at a minimum. So thoroughly go through the benefits from each one of the tiers and choose the one that best suits your interests and your expenditures. Because again, in most cases, Platinum's extra features are not essential or worth the higher fees for new businesses. Gold is typically the ideal starting point. Once you've selected your preferred formation package level, IncFile leads you through the remaining LLC filing steps, which include providing your personal or contact information. This will include providing your full name, physical address, email address, phone number, and all the basic information that they need. This identifies you as the point of contact for your business filing and communications from IncFile. Make sure that all the details are accurate so that your LLC is formed and approved as quickly as possible. After that, IncFile will have you select which state you are forming your LLC in. You should form your LLC in the state where your business is located and or operates. Each state has different filing requirements and costs. IncFile covers filings in all of the 50 states. So don't worry about your state not being included, it definitely is. Next, we will have the naming your LLC part. This will be the official name for your LLC, so enter your desired business name, and then you can add the extension as an LLC or limited liability company, so don't put it in the desired name like at the start. There will be an option for that, as you can see right here. You can choose the name that suits you best or suits your business best, but usually LLC is the best one as it is the easiest to remember and you don't really have to add a lot more characters like typing out the full limited liability company. You have to confirm your name name availability, as it needs to be a unique name that hasn't been used before in your state. IncFile will verify that the name is not already taken in your state, so if it is, you may need to tweak it if unavailable. Next, you'll need to designate a registered agent, which is required to form an LLC. A registered agent accepts official documents and communications on your business's behalf. IncFile offers complimentary registered agent service with your LLC filing for the first year, as we covered before. This is highly recommended for convenience. You can always choose a third-party agent, but IncFile is reliable and keeps everything streamlined in one place. After the year is over, you can always sign yourself up as your registered agent. However, this is not really recommended because let's say you're on vacation or you're out of state, the government will still need to send mail for your business. So a registered agent acts as a method to always have mail available for your business whenever and wherever you are. IncFile's registered agent will always make sure to forward the email for you, and it's available 24/7 wherever you choose to move or go for vacation. Moving down the list, we have to enter the specifics about your LLC's business activities, such as the type of business that you want to have. This is the industry category, business purpose or description, number of total members, and ownership percentage breakdown. If you're the only owner, such as myself, then it will be like 100%, it will stay as 1. And this information is used for your state filings and to obtain your own EIN number. Now it will ask you to enter your business address. This will be a physical address, whether the address is commercial or residential, it doesn't matter. Phone number associated with the address. And avoid PO boxes. This must be a valid street address in your state. The next step will be getting an employer identification number, which is the EIN. This one acts as the tax ID for your business, like a social security number, for example. IncFile can instantly obtain your EIN after submitting your LLC filings. This is obtained by answering a few verification questions, providing your social security number, and getting the EIN emailed to you upon arrival. You can always get your EIN from the IRS form. However, getting your EIN through IncFile makes this step fast and convenient. You'll also be asked to add member details as part of your operating agreement. You'll enter the details on each LLC member or owner. They'll ask for name, address, social security number, and all different details. If you're the only owner, obviously, then you won't have to add anything in this tab. And the last step will be to enter payment information to cover your selected IncFile formation package fee. It will show you the breakdown of all the services that you have chosen, all added up until the state filing fee. IncFile accepts all major cards. They only charge your card once the LLC filing is completed. And that's it. That's the full procedure of successfully forming your LLC through IncFile. You can choose to have faster processing for a fee. And if you don't mind waiting, then you will have the free longer processing time of 2 to 3 weeks. And once it's ready, you receive your new LLC certificate in the mail. And that wraps up the step-by-step guide to forming an LLC using IncFile. If you found IncFile services to be of high value, then be sure to click the link in our description down below. It will take you straight to IncFile, where you can seamlessly form your LLC and other business-related documents. Let me know if you have any other questions. We'll be happily answering them in the comment section down below. And if you found this video to be helpful or enjoyable to watch, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we make.